guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I take you along as I refresh my guest bathroom for the spring and the summer season. So let's jump right in. First, right here, I went in and deep cleaned my bathroom and everything. I took everything out just so I can have a blank canvas to work with, and just so I can just get some inspiration of how I want to decorate the space. I first like to freshen my bathroom with room fresheners after I get done cleaning and everything. So right here you see me adding some essential oils to my inside of my toilet paper holder. This just gives off a fresh scent every time they use the toilet paper, and I think it smells amazing. And this right here is in the Sweet Orange Clove by Better Homes and Garden. Now I did need a new shower curtain, so I went into Home Goods and I picked up this really cute shower curtain from the company of Hotel Grand Royale, and this was actually on sale for $12.99. And then I also picked up some new shower curtain hooks. They were $5.99 and they're in the brushed nickel. These shower curtains are 100% cotton, and they are really super duper heavy, and they're white, and they just give off like a fresh clean look for my bathroom. Now I did have to add a shower curtain liner behind it, as you can see here, because like I said, they are 100% cotton. That way when they are taking a shower, it's not getting wet or anything like that. But I absolutely love the way they feel and the way they look, and they look absolutely amazing in my space. Now they don't go all the way up to the ceiling, and they didn't go down to the floor, because they are like, I think the length is like 72 inches long, but that's fine because I actually like the way it looks here. So I think it turned out really cute. Now I did want to add something that would be functional for my guests as well as my children to hang their used towels and robes and things up on when they are out of the shower. So I found this over the door hook from Home Goods, and it has the cute little bling balls at the top of it, which I think is absolutely amazing, which kind of matches my my glam kind of look in here, and I thought that was really cute. Then I also had to pick up a new trash can. So I found this one. This was $9.99. It just has that charcoal colored gray, and it's a wickered waste basket, and I absolutely love the way it looks. And then I also needed a new toilet bowl cleaner or holder. So I found this cute little glam little toilet bowl holder. I just love the little details on there, which I thought was so cute. And this was $9.99 as well. Now I did go into Target and I picked up some new bath mats. I like to change out my bath mats when I change out my decor as the seasons change, because they do get worn out, and I like to just kind of replace them or wash the old ones. So I found these, and these were on sale for $19.99 at Target, and I just love the gray color. As y'all can see, I love my gray, and I love the way this feels and the pattern that it has on there. And these are super duper thick, and they're very soft, and they're actually pretty. I like the length of them. They're very long, and this is how it looks here on my floor, and I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really cute. Now for decorating my shelves here, I wanted to keep it kind of glam and rustic, and then I also wanted it to be kind of simple. So I found this cute little picture frame here from Ross, as well as these cute little glam candle holders. I think the candle holders were like $8.99, as well as the picture frame was $8.99. Then I also found this cute little tray here that I'm going to use to kind of store some hand towels and face towels and things like that. And this was $9.99 from Ross as well. And right here, this is how I have it decorated, and I think it turned out oh so cute, and I absolutely love it. Now the picture frame, you can go in and add a different kind of picture or artwork or anything like that, but I kind of like the way it the image that was in there, so I kind of just left it like that, which I think is super cute. And I always love to burn a scented candle for the season in my bathroom. So I found this woodwick candle from Ross as well, and this was $9.99. And it is the candle that, the woodwick candle gives off that crackly, fiery sound when it's lit. And this is in the scent of clean linen, and I absolutely love the way it smells, and it's just absolutely amazing. Now here I went in and I found these old jars that I have bought from Amazon, and these jars I'm just going to fill them with some decorative bath soaps. This is in the lavender scented soaps from Home Goods, and I believe this was Yeah, this was $4.99. And I also found these beautiful Himalayan pink bath salts, and it's infused with flowers and lavender oil. I love Epsom salt baths as well as my daughter, so I thought that would be cute to add in the bathroom as well. So this is how it's looking like here, and I also added some Q-tips in the third container. And this is how I have the second shelf decorated. And that flower has been there before. I just kind of like moved it down to the bottom shelf. And then I also picked up this cute little wash brush floss sign from Ross as well. And I think that sign was like $5.99. So this is what my shelves are looking like so far, you guys. And I absolutely love it. I wanted to make sure that it's cute and functional as well for guests, as well as us who uses this bathroom sometimes too. So I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I love the way it looks. Okay, and then I also like to decorate the top of my toilet as well. So to decorate that, I like to put things that I can contain in a little basket for easy grab and use. So I'm using this beautiful little gray basket that I found from Home Goods. It was $4.99, and it was from the company RGI Home, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to place that on top of my toilet like this, and I'm just going to add some cute little decorative things in here to add some elegance to the bathroom as well, or to the toilet area as well. So for some greenery, I'm going to use this beautiful rosemary plant that I got from Target. I love the white vase, and I just love the realistic look that it gives. And this was actually $7.99 from Target. So that's going to be the first thing that I add inside this little basket here. And then the next thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add a few hand towels in there, mainly for decorative purposes only. So I'm just going to add 2 white hand towels in there. And then I'm also going to go in and add some room freshener. I always like to have some room freshener on hand, because I think if you have some room freshener on hand, then people don't have to be looking for fresheners or asking you for things when they're already in the bathroom. You already have it ready to go. And the room freshener that I'm using today is called Sleep Pillow Spray, which I'm using it as a room freshener. It's supposed to be to help calm, smooth, and relax, and it is in the scent of lavender, and I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. So I'm just going to place that there next to the 2 towels like so, and this is how it looks so far, you guys, and I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, so for my 2 little tiered mirror tray here, I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to add some extra toilet paper to there, and then some extra bath towels. So if we need it or guests need it, then we have some available. Then at the top of the tray, I just like to put a floral arrangement. So I found this beautiful roses, white roses from Ross, and it has this pink little glass vase that it comes in, and it was $9.99. I think it's absolutely cute and adorable. Okay guys, so here's an overview of everything that we have decorated so far, and I think it turned out absolutely amazing. Now for bath towels, I just kept with my same towels I had before, the white and gray, and these are the Better Homes and Garden brand from Walmart, and I absolutely love them. They're just like so super soft. Okay guys, so for decorating on my sink, I just wanted to keep it real simple. So all I'm going to add to my sink area is some hand soap, and I bought a new soap dispenser from Target. This is from the Threshold brand. I think it was $9.99. And then I bought this toothbrush tumbler from Ross, and that was $4.99. And I just wanted to keep it real simple and sleek. Didn't want to crowd the sink too much. I did add a little bit of flowers to the sink area as well. I'm just adding these lilies that I had before that I bought from Home Goods a while ago, and they're white and just like a clean look, and I thought it would look cute on top of the sink area here. Then I also have my wallflower from Bath and Body Works there, and I believe it's in the scent of lavender. I'm just loving that lavender scent, and it has it smelling absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so here is a final overview of the space and what it's looking like so far, and I'm absolutely loving the way it turned out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not part of the family already, please consider hitting that red subscribe button and clicking that little bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you all for coming back, and thank you all for your love and support. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.